Hello dear students, welcome to your channel Online Tuitions with Nikhil Goyal. Let's start our next topic for class 10th Mathematics Coordinate Geometry section formula. So how to use section formula, what is the section formula? But first of all, so section formula, when any point or any line divides the any given line in a specific ratio. For example, a ratio is given m1 ratio m2 and a point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given, that a line that is formed by joining A and B is divided into a specific ratio or is divided by a third point C x3 y3 in a specific ratio, then which formula we have to use to find the ratio or to find the point? First of all, we will use it to find the point, then we will take x3 and y3 as x comma y. So here the formula used will be section formula. So section formula will be used as, we have to find this point C x comma y that divide the given line AB in the given ratio m1 ratio m2. So the section formula will be, for part x, first coordinate x will be as m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. Here you can write it as, write the coordinate x1 y1 x2 y2 and ratio m1 ratio m2. So you have to multiply the second part of the ratio by first point and first part of the ratio by second point. You will get m2 into x1 and m1 into x2. So first of all, to calculate the x, we will use only point x and the given ratio m1 into x1 plus m1 into x2 divided by the sum of ratio m1 plus m2. Similarly, to find y, we will use the same ratio but the coordinates of the y, m2 into y1 m1 into y2, m2 y1 plus m1 y2 upon m1 plus m2. So after calculating these points, we will find the value of point C. Then this point will be having these two coordinates as m2 x1 plus m1 x2 upon m1 plus m2 and m2 y1 plus m1 y2 upon m1 plus m2. This will be the section formula for finding the given point, for finding the point that divide the given line segment of line joining formed by joining point A and B, that is divided into the given ratio m1 ratio m2. So if the ratio m1 and m2 is equal, for example m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 1, if the ratio is equal, that is it is divided into two equal parts, it is bisected, then the formula is modified and it is changed into x1 is equal to, put m1 and m2 is equal to 1 in the every part. This will become x1 into 1 is equal to x1 plus x2 into 1 x2 divided by 1 plus 1 2. So x part will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Similarly, y part will be y1 plus y2 by 2. And this modified form of this formula, section formula, is used as midpoint formula. This form is known as midpoint formula for finding the midpoint, because this is the midpoint which divides the given line segment into two equal parts. After that, if we have to find the ratio but the point is given, if point C is given to you and you have to find the ratio, then you will use these values that are given to you on the point, but the ratio you will let m1 ratio m2 will be equal to k ratio 1, and the formula will be changed into Now to find the ratio, the formula will be changed into x is equal to k x1 plus x2 by k plus 1, or x1 plus k x2 by k plus 1, depending upon that which part you have taken as point B and which part you have taken as point A, according to the line A B k ratio 1 or A B k ratio 1. Accordingly, you will find the point of intersection that divide the given ratio in k ratio 1, and from that we will find the value of k, from where we will get the value of k. For example, you get k is equal to 2 by 5, then the ratio will be k ratio 1 is equal to 2 ratio 5. That will be the ratio that divide in which the line segment is divided. So on this basis we will start our next exercise, exercise 7.2, in our next video. Till then, watch this video, share this video and subscribe my channel, and remember these formulas. Thank you and have a nice day.